The flood protection project began back in 2015, and now one part of the puzzle is complete. Phases 2 and 3 of the Mouse River Enhancement Flood Protection, which installed levees, are now finished.
The area near 16th Street now has a new dog park, a new walking and bike path, as well as a fishing pier. Even with all the amenities for people to enjoy, the director of the Souris River Joint Board says more importantly, people in the area are now safe.
The original purpose, was laid out in a preliminary report that was done in 2012 and adopted. And it is flood risk protection and reduction for the residents in the valley.
He says they have a little to clean up left to do, but that is it.
Coming up, we'll see you here at 5:30 because, as we said, football's being moving to 6. So
yes.
We'll see you in just a few moments. But now, here's a last look at your forecast.